Hello, my name is Maria Fernandez, and I am a creative community herbalist. And in today's video, I want to share with you how easy it is to make Amla tincture. This is really simple, and I'm going to show you fast right away, so that way you get to do it. First of all, you could check for Amla dry berries, and they sell them either on Frontier Co-op, Starwest Botanical. I got them at Mountain Rose Herbs. I am not affiliated or sponsored, but if they want to sponsor me, hey, I'm here. So this is Mountain Rose, and I got a pound of Amla whole organic berries. This cost me $11. Then I bought 100 proof vodka. This vodka cost me $20. 20, 11, $31, right? And then a mason jar. I have a half gallon, 64 ounces of a mason jar. And this is what we're going to be using in today's recipe of how to create delicious amla. So open the package. And let's see, it looks very dry. Amla is a superfood. It's Indian Gooseberry. And it's one of the holiest, most reverent berries in India. So we pour the berry and we use 100 proof vodka, which means it's 50% alcohol and 50% water. No need to do math here. That's it. This is how simple it is. We're getting right to it. Here we go. So I am putting 100 proof vodka all the way to the top. Pour. And now, why Amla? Oh, this is the part that gets good. Amla is high on vitamin C. It's super good to improve your immunity and helps you fight cold. When one of the reasons I started using all the way to the top, and I use parchment paper. I didn't put it here. Okay. This is my amla that I made back January 13, 2020. And it's almost done. And so I am making more amla. And normally on this video, I don't have my parchment, but normally I put a parchment paper and you cover it. And then you label it. So you say Amla tincture and you write the date. And after 6 weeks, you are able to use it. Normally, the berries are still here. It's been a year, over a year, and I still keep the berries. Look at that color. I still keep the berries in the jar so that it gets stronger. So this is potent right now, but it's ready after 6 weeks. Normally what I do is I grab a little dropper jar, and let's move this real quick. I grab a cup of water. It could be more than this. And I take a dropper full. So a dropper full is basically that, right? And a dropper full has about 30 to 35 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 32, 35, right? So I take a dropper full. A dropper full is never gonna go all the way to the top. Just remember that. A dropper full is that. So again, I empty it out and check it out. That's my dropper full. Dropper full. And drink tinctures with water or put it in your tea. If you are trying to avoid alcohol, Alcohol evaporates with heat, so you could put it on your tea and it would still be effective. So see how my water now changing to like a nice, vibrant, like lemonade color. And you drink it like this. So let's do story time. If you got this far, you know how to make the amla. Just order from Mountain Rose, get your vodka at the liquor store, and make sure it's 100 proof. Get a mason jar, which could cost you like $1, and make sure you have a label, something to label with amla and the date. And then wait 6 weeks and have a little dropper brown amber bottle that you could pour into so that you could, have it available for you to take. So why amla? So when the reason I stumbled upon this beautiful berry was because I noticed that as we age, our eyesight, becomes blurry, and so we start losing eyesight. And eyesight has to do with vitamin A and aging. So we sort of accept that that's part of normal life. And I was just like, well, I'm still feeling young and like I don't mind if I have to use glasses, but is there something that I can do to help my eyesight? So I researched and I learned that I could eat a lot of vegetables like sweet potatoes, anything like, tomatoes, anything that has like orangey colors, have a lot of like, eating carrots. If you look at a carrot and you cut it, it looks like an eye. So anything with those vibrant colors is going to be really good. And the carrot has to be cooked for at least an hour and put it completely like submerged, like don't cut it. Just put a whole carrot in your cooking pan and cook it for at least an hour, because carrot has carotenes, but the carotene is not like the only thing that you need. We need vitamin A, and carotenes are completely different. So basically I was eating all the vegetables, and I heard from Susan Weed. She said amla is amazing. So I was like, okay, I am gonna have to buy this amla and make a tincture. So I started making the tincture of amla. However, I discovered other benefits from it. Like, isn't that exciting? I love how plant medicine, is not just like, arrow medicine. It's more sphere. It really works with your energy and your body. Each plant is a planet, right? So it has, it's not, it's just so full of just so many different constituents, like, polyphenols and antioxidants and all these great things that, humans, animals, everybody needs. Plants are planets, right? And they get their energy from the sun, right? So it's full of energy, right? And it helps us so much, and I'm just so grateful that amla is in my life, because it has helped my eyesight. It's not deteriorating. It hasn't improved, because I have to do other things, such as like not look at my phone so much, and like once I'm looking at my phone, take 20 minutes, but it hasn't deteriorated. So I know that I'm going to continue drinking it, because I know medicine works slowly, especially plant medicine. It's not something that is just like take it and it's effective. It's like a slow building process, right? So it takes time. You can't expect it to move fast. It's not arrow, it's fear. It's gonna come, gently and slowly, right? It's all about the slow movement. And so what I learned, which really really helped amla, I love learning what other stuff it provides, right? So I went and found out about amla because of my eyes. However, one time my daughters told me, my little one was like, Mom, oh my God, it hurts to pee. And I was like, oh no, it's a UTI. And I was like, wait, amla is super high on vitamin C. So if cranberry juice is good for UTIs, then amla must be amazing, right? So therefore, I was like, here. And I gave her tincture in the morning, in the midday, and at night. Gone. UTI, gone. So anytime now that my daughter said, Mom, it hurts when I pee, water and Amla is going to be what they're drinking. Okay, so another true story, my experience with Amla is that I know when you're going to get vaccinated, for example, people might be doing the coronavirus vaccine. What I do when my daughters, before they get a vaccine, is that I give them Amla 3 days before and 3 days after, because it's full of antioxidants and vitamin C, and it helps carry out any like heavy metals or any just toxicity that might be, you know, like vaccines are not just like super safe or risk free, right? So I want to make sure that whatever is good, and then like helps the body, you know, get it in and get it out, you know, like whatever needs to be there for their health, and then get the other stuff out. So that's what I've done. And I also put like arnica gel in their arm before they get punctured, that way, you know, it doesn't hurt them, like 'cause sometimes it gets sore. So these are few tips. I know that once I gave amla tincture to one of my friends, and she said that her friend would like had swollen eyes, and like they put it under the eye, and like all the darkness and swelling went away. And what happens is that amla is really helps in improving the production of collagen, so it really helps you stay young and plump, and who doesn't want more collagen, right? I know, like as a woman, we want to stay as young and vital as possible, and amla helps you achieve that. So it's anti-aging, it has antioxidants, it improves eyesight, it improves your immunity, it's high on vitamin C, it's super easy to make, right? And so there are many other benefits to amla tincture. And if you have any, please share with us in the comments so that we could see how you have used amla and what benefits it has caused you. In this table, I just want to share that I have my golden vinegar. So remember, in one of my older videos, I was making goldenrod solidago vinegar, and I told you that once it's done, you could put it in a pretty bottle and add let me see. Oh, look at how cute that is. Oh, geez. Yeah, shout out to goldenrod. How beautiful. Yeah. Goldenrod vinegar. So, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I know I go fast, and I try to make this video small and stay focused, and I'm not an arrow. I'm a woman. I'm a sphere, like, so I'm gonna go here and here and here and here and here, and hopefully you got the medicine, right? Which is what's important. Mm. So if I know I'm gonna be around sick people, I drink amla tincture because it's high on vitamin C. It protects me against flu and colds, so I definitely want to be, you know, preventing. So this is a preventive tonic sort of medicine that you take, and it's also very helpful to prevent UTIs and blurry eyesight. So it helps in so many ways. It's so easy to do. I know you could do it. I believe in you. Okay, so this has been my video on how to make amla tincture. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this far. May you have a beautiful, blissful, and blessed day.